Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to change this video to become a cartoon, and the tool that we would like to use is the KineMaster here. So don't forget to install it first from your application or from the Play Store, or if you are the user of the app iPhone or the iOS, then you can install it first from the App Store. And this is the look of the KineMaster over here, but here I haven't do the logged in before, but you can start to create something over here. And also this is the home page and also the template that you would like to use for your creation. So let's get started. So I will start it from the create over here. Then as you can see, I have prepared this video. You can just skip it but if you would like to purchase the subscription, then you can just do the payment over here. Move back to the video tutorial. Then this field will allows you to the landscape, and it will give you the wide angle to do the video editing. And as you can see, this video has already uploaded into this field, and you can click or select this video that you would like to add or do the editing. And since we would like to create it to become the cartoon, then we will choose the AI style here. Then you can slide this menu from down to up and choose this AI style. Then you can choose this cartoon. Let's get started from this low version first. So guys, if you have any recommendation about the AI that will help you to create the video cartoon or in another 3D cartoon, then please don't worry to inform us back in the comment down below, and we would love to see your comments there, because your comment and also your feedback is really valuable to us to create the more developed creating video. So as you can see here, the generation of this cartoon will take you a while to this AI generated. And let's see the result for the low version. We will see it in the full screen and play it. Then you can also try to convert it to become the high version. Let's say I will backward the editing. Then I will select this picture or video. Then I will go back to the AI style. Then select this cartoon. Then I will select this high version. So we can deny, guys, that AI will help a lot of our work, not only to create the, let's say, create the paper, but it also help us to create, let's say, to generate this video. And also it will help you to manifest what video and what picture and what creation that you would like to present. And don't worry, guys, because it will help you to create the most creative result, and you can actually sell it and you can get the benefit of it. So please don't be hesitant and don't be afraid to the AI, because it also depends on what you would like to do for this AI. Because sometimes, or if you ever heard too from the a lot of media, that there are something or the people show that AI will substitute a lot of work. Well, it is depend on what action and how we respond this, how AI act to our life, and it is better to learn about more about the AI and how to use it, and moreover how to au- create the automation, let's say into your company or your the work daily, because it can be effective option to make your life goes easily. And if it's gonna make your life goes easily, then it will be beneficial too if you would like to master this AI. And I believe it is not only learning about the prompting, but it is also how to use it and how to master this AI. So don't let this AI lead you, but you can lead and use this AI very wisely, because we are different with AI. We have the wisdom, we have the empathy that AI still has owned it before. So, okay, this is the final look after we generate this video to become the cartoon. And let's see the result and play it. So it is beautiful, right? So don't forget to try it by yourself and practice this tip and trick, and also info. Please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.